Most of the times when we make a video on lost article, we generally tell you that this is where the article was lost, this is where we said that the article would be, and this is how a person was able to get the article. But are there not instances when people have lost the article and not got back? And has the Prashna been able to tell them so? Rightly, yes. So today I discuss with you one case where we see how we can say that the person will not get back the lost article. The person will see that it could be stolen, it could be misplaced, never to come back to the person again. And we will also see how in similar circumstances, just in a matter of 4-5 days, this another article which was misplaced, which was lost, could have been got by a person. So let's begin with that lost article. Okay, this is about a power bank that the person had lost, and when I look into the 4th house, the 4th lord here, because the Lagna is Singha Lagna or Leo Lagna, the 4th house lord is Mars. You see, Mars is exalted in the D1 chart, but unfortunately it is exalted in the 6th house. It does not have any good aspect on it. On the contrary, Rahu from the 7th house is approaching it, and there is absolutely no relationship between the Lagna lord and the house lord. Okay, because the Lagna lord is placed in the 7th house, it is aspecting its own house. Mars is also aspecting, most of us know that Mars is aspecting the Lagna, but it is giving its 8th aspect, which is said to be Swahanta, which is not a good aspect at all. So here we find that the aspect, there is no connection between the Lagna lord and the Karyesh, the one who is the doer here, the 4th lord. Again, Mars is placed in the house of Rog Ripurin, that it is also placed in the house of enemies or thieves, the hidden thieves. The 7th house is the thieves who are exposed, and the 6th lord has also moved into the 8th house with the 12th lord. So it is a probability, a high probability, that the person will not get her thing, her power bank again. Now what happened was, when I looked into the Prashna, the first question was that is the thing of great value. The person said monetarily it was okay, but as when we talk about the sentiments attached to it, it was of great value. Why? Because it was gifted to her. Then exalted 4th lord is giving that indication, but it is not in a very happy house, neither is it being aspected by great planets. So here we will have to let go of the thing. We'll have to say to the person that I'm sorry to say that, but it's likely that you are not going to get your thing again. It's gone misplaced. Again, you see, the good planets are also not very well placed. So it's likely that the person is not going to get her thing well. Now, couple of days earlier, 5 days earlier in fact, there was a case of missing jewelry. I would like to bring to your attention that here we are seeing that in the 7th house or in Aquarius, there is an amalgamation of 4 planets, Rahu, Mercury, Sun and Venus. And it continues to be so in the next case that I bring up for you also. So people would say that asking a Prashna in such a situation would not be conducive. Just letting you know that the Lagna makes all the difference, because when we take up this case of missing jewelry, what happened was that the lady said that she has misplaced half a set. That means it contains the earrings, the ring, the necklace, barring the bangles. So she had lost quite chunk worth of her jewelry in terms of cash. She was very afraid, where would I find it? She was palpitating. She asked us, she approached us, and what we found out was, since Jupiter, it is a retrograde Jupiter, an extremely powerful Digbali and Cheshtabali Jupiter is sitting, and it's the lord of the 10th house also. It's a lord of the 10th house, giving it a great strength. So it's sitting on the Lagna and aspecting this combination in the 9th house. The lost article, which is the 4th house, has gone in the 9th house, which is a good place. A Kendra Trikona connection is being established, and it's on the Rahu Ketu axis if we see. Okay, so when we see on the Rahu Ketu axis, what we see is that it will take a couple of days, because that Mercury is very tensed, it's hidden somewhere. See, there are a lot of things that we do not see, but the Prashna tells us. Here I should let you know that we had just predicted that because it's Jupiter also aspecting the Lord of the lost article, and it's also placed in the 9th house, the chances of getting the article is high, and the person should look for it properly, and the person will get it. The person got it. Now there are certain things that probably we do not read properly, or we misplace, or we do not give two weightage of, but the Prashna works exactly the way it has predicted. You see, the Venus is also the 5th lord, and it is placed with Mercury, Sun and Rahu there in the 9th house. It so happened that the lady was palpitating a little too much, and she asked her daughter to search for it, and her daughter found it. It's the 5th lord, it's a lady, it's Venus, and guess, not in our lives would be able to guess, because Rahu represents artificial. The lady found her jewelry, or the daughter found the jewelry in the section where she would keep artificial jewelry. We knew that the person would get it, because it was a good combination. But see, the Prashna works out exactly the way it foretells. It's a matter of understanding the Prashna well. So, if the Prashna says that you are not going to get the article, it has been misplaced, it has been stolen, we accept that and we move forward. And when we get our article that the Prashna says you do, we are equally elated. Do write to us how you found this question, how you found this video, and till we meet with you again, stay safe. Thank you.
Please hit the bell icon for fresh updates. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the videos, and please subscribe to our channel.